When you think of blueberries, you might picture a handful of sweet, tangy berries tossed into your morning smoothie or sprinkled on top of oatmeal. But these tiny fruits pack a punch far greater than their size suggests. In just 30 days, regular consumption of blueberries can create incredible shifts in your body. Some you might expect, and others that are truly surprising. Let's uncover 7 crazy ways blueberries can transform your body in only 1 month, backed by the latest research and insights. First and foremost, blueberries launch a powerful antioxidant offensive. The deep blue hue of these berries is more than just eye-catching. It comes from a group of potent antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds actively combat oxidative stress, which is the damage caused by free radicals in your body. Inflammation and oxidative stress are the silent triggers behind many chronic diseases, from heart issues to cancer. Within 30 days of eating blueberries daily, your body begins to neutralize these harmful free radicals more effectively. The result? Your cells are protected from damage, your immune defenses are strengthened, and you're actively lowering your risk of developing chronic illnesses. This antioxidant rush is not just a subtle change, it's a radical reset for your body's internal defenses. Secondly, your heart health gets a remarkable boost. Blueberries are rich in fiber and anthocyanins, and these work together to lower cholesterol levels and improve the function of your blood vessels. Recent studies reveal that consuming anthocyanin-rich foods like blueberries 3 or more times a week can reduce the risk of heart attacks by up to 32% among women. In just 1 month, regular blueberry consumption can help regulate your blood pressure and promote healthier circulation by making your arteries more flexible and less prone to damage. If you're looking for a simple step to guard your heart, adding blueberries to your daily diet is one of the most efficient changes you can make. The third crazy way blueberries change your body is by supercharging your brain. Cognitive decline may seem like a concern for the distant future, but your brain health is shaped by daily habits, and blueberries are a secret weapon. The antioxidants in blueberries protect your brain cells from the same oxidative stress that can trigger premature aging and mental decline. A groundbreaking study found that just 1 serving of blueberries each week could slow cognitive aging in older women by up to 2.5 years. Imagine that. Over the course of 30 days, your memory sharpens, your focus improves, and your mind feels more alert, all thanks to a handful of berries. The impact is especially noticeable in areas of the brain responsible for learning and memory, making blueberries a true brain food. Fourth, blueberries work wonders on your blood sugar regulation. Despite their sweetness, blueberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause spikes in your blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content acts as a buffer, slowing down the absorption of sugars into your bloodstream. Recent research highlights the bioactive compounds in blueberries, which can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage diabetes more effectively. Within 1 month of regular consumption, you may notice greater stability in your energy levels, fewer sugar crashes, and an easier time sticking to healthy eating habits. For those with prediabetes or at risk of developing diabetes, this simple change can make a world of difference. The fifth transformation is found in your digestive health. Blueberries are loaded with fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Fiber helps move food smoothly through your digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. But the benefits don't stop there. The antioxidants and polyphenols in blueberries also serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. In just 30 days, these compounds help create a more balanced microbiome, which is linked to better immune function, reduced inflammation, and even improved mood. A healthier gut is the foundation for overall well-being, and blueberries provide the fuel your body needs to thrive from the inside out. Sixth, you'll notice a visible difference in your skin. Blueberries aren't just working beneath the surface. After a month of daily consumption, many people report a brighter, clearer complexion. The antioxidants fight skin-damaging free radicals, while vitamins like vitamin C support collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. The anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness, puffiness, and even acne. If you've struggled with dull or tired skin, Blueberries offer a natural way to refresh your appearance, giving you a healthy glow that starts from within. Finally, blueberries may have a surprising impact on your body's ability to fight cancer. While no single food is a magic bullet against cancer, the anthocyanins and other bioactive compounds in blueberries have been shown to slow the growth of certain cancer cells and inhibit tumor formation in laboratory studies. By reducing inflammation, supporting immune function, and protecting DNA from damage, blueberries may lower your risk of developing specific types of cancer over the long term. In just 30 days, you're not only nourishing your body, but potentially taking steps to safeguard it against one of the most serious diseases. So, how can you make the most of these benefits? The key is consistency. Aim for a serving of blueberries each day. A half cup to 1 cup is a good target. They're versatile. Toss them into smoothies, mix them with yogurt, bake them into healthy muffins, or simply enjoy them fresh. If fresh berries aren't available, frozen blueberries retain nearly all of their nutritional value and can be a convenient alternative. It's important to note that while blueberries deliver incredible health perks, they work best as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Pairing blueberries with other healthy foods amplifies their effects and helps you build a foundation for lasting wellness. As the days pass, you may find that your energy climbs, your mind feels sharper, your digestion runs more smoothly, and your skin glows with vitality. These changes are more than just skin deep. They reflect the powerful synergy of nutrients working in harmony throughout your body. Blueberries prove that sometimes the most profound transformations come from the simplest daily choices. In summary, the 7 crazy ways blueberries change your body in 30 days are: unleashing antioxidants to protect your cells, boosting heart health, sharpening brain function, regulating blood sugar, enhancing digestive health, improving skin appearance, and possibly lowering your cancer risk. With each serving, you're making a small investment in your body's future, one that can pay off in ways you never imagined. So the next time you reach for a snack, consider the humble blueberry. In just 1 month, you could witness a transformation that goes far beyond ordinary nutrition, setting the stage for a healthier, happier you.